Men lie, they say, wig and hustle. Roll, every phrase is a gamble. Chances in the air, promises disappear like nothing. Say they're in love with seeking thrills, spinning smooth lines to satisfy. Truth cuts like a dagger and everyone's running, that's life. Men lie to liars, women conceal with makeup and fire, and crave false eyelashes and Botox. Fake it until we make it in a lying world. Women play a game too, every day disguising truth with a painted face. While false flashes flooded, Botox titans, insurgents, altered bodies, padded dreams, push up broad stream and hair extensions. Want to discuss lies? Everyone has stories to tell, and we all live in our own hell. Men lie to liars, women conceal with makeup and fire, and crave false eyelashes and Botox. Fake it until we make it in a lying world. Everybody lies in different ways. Stage performance on life's huge stage. Men's words, women's style, running the mile for validation. We lie to feel alive. Truth tries to serve honest. Masks conceal the reality, which remains beneath the lies. The lies. Men lie to liars, women conceal with makeup and fire, and crave false eyelashes and Botox. Fake it until we make it in a lying world. Women play a game too, every day disguising truth with a painted face. While false lashes flutter, Botox titans, insurgents, alter bodies, padded dreams, push all brain, and making cross the line, and lie to one other. Men and women hide behind lies. We all pretend to belong, as the old song goes. Women play a game too, every day disguising truth with a painted face. While false lashes flutter, Botox titans, insurgents, altered bodies, padded dreams, push up broad string and hair extensions. Want to discuss lies? Streaming hair extensions. Want to discuss lies? Everyone to discuss lies, and we all live in our own hell. Men lie to liars, women conceal with makeup and fire, and crave false eyelashes and Botox. Fake it until we make it in a lying world. Everybody lies in different ways. Stage performance on life's huge stage. Men's words, women's style, running the mile for validation. We lie to feel alive. Truth tries to survive. Masks conceal the reality, which remains beneath the lies. Men lie to liars, women conceal with makeup and fire, and crave false eyelashes and Botox. Fake it until we make it in a lying world. We lie to feel alive. Truth tries to survive, mask tries to survive. We lie to feel alive. Which one is real in a room full of fakes? We are all actors in a huge charade, chasing shadows and attempting to fulfill our roles for compensation. We all lie to ourselves and others, but honesty may be the greatest deception in a society where truth is scarce. Men lie to liars, women conceal with makeup and fire, crave false eyelashes and